Have you ever stopped to ponder the reliability of your own memory? It's a fascinating question, isn't it? We rely on our memories every day, trusting them to keep our pasts alive, to guide our actions and to shape our futures. But how dependable are they, really? Scientists have been delving into this question for decades, and their findings may surprise you. In the realm of memory research, one name often stands out: Elizabeth Loftus. Loftus, a professor of psychology at the University of California, Irvine, has spent her career examining the malleability of human memory. Her research, spanning over 4 decades, has shown that memory is not a static and unchanging entity, but rather a dynamic process that is constantly being reconstructed and updated. One of her most famous studies involved showing participants a film of a car accident, then asking them about what they saw. The twist: by simply changing the wording of the question, Loftus was able to manipulate the participants' memories of the event. Those who were asked about a smash estimated higher speeds and were more likely to report seeing broken glass than those who were asked about a hit. This study, among others, demonstrates the power of the suggestion in shaping our memories. Loftus's work is not alone in this field. A study conducted by researchers at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology used mice to show that false memories can be implanted in the brain. By manipulating neurons associated with a specific memory, they were able to make the mice remember an event that never actually happened. Similarly, a study published in the Journal of Experimental Psychology revealed that people can be led to remember committing a crime that never occurred. After 3 interviews, 70% of participants remembered committing the crime, providing detailed accounts of events that were entirely fictional. These studies, and others like them, paint a picture of memory as something far less reliable than we might like to believe. They show us that our memories are not perfect recordings of events, but rather reconstructions that can be influenced by suggestion, manipulated by external factors, and even entirely fabricated. So, what does this all mean for us? It means that we should be mindful of the fallibility of our own memories. We should recognize that our recollections of past events can be influenced by suggestion, and that our memories are not always as accurate as we might think. It means that the past, as we remember it, is not a faithful reproduction of what actually happened, but rather a story that we tell ourselves, shaped by our perceptions, our biases, and our desires. In conclusion, our journey into the world of memory research has taken us to some unexpected places. We've learned that our memories are not the unchanging records we might have believed them to be. Instead, they are malleable, subject to suggestion, and capable of being manipulated. We've seen that our memories can be surprisingly unreliable, and that we should be mindful of this as we navigate our lives. Remember, our memories are not fixed in stone. They are constantly being rewritten, reshaped, and reinterpreted. So the next time you find yourself relying on a memory, take a moment to consider its reliability. After all, as the research shows, memory is a curious, complex, and above all, fallible thing.